Today we're taking dessert to the next level. Meet the ultimate chocolate brownie cake. Rich, fudgy, loaded with deep chocolate flavor. It's topped with a light and airy peanut butter whipped cream that's perfectly creamy without being too sweet. Hi everyone, I'm Wendy and welcome to the Baker's Loft. I'm starting to prepare to make the brownie cake, so follow along and enjoy. In the meantime, while we're waiting for our brownie cakes to bake, let's make that delicious peanut butter whipped cream. It only takes about 5 minutes and your taste buds will thank you.
Now that is just yum.
One thing I forgot to mention is this middle layer I'm filling with a raspberry apricot jam. And just for a little added flavor and texture, I'm going to add fresh raspberries on top of that.
And yes, I know I'm a baker, but smoothing out a cake is my least favorite part of cake baking and decorating. So I'm gonna save you from the cursing and swearing that's going to come up and get back to you when I have this all smoothed out.
Look at this, you guys. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I think it is beautiful and I can't wait to slice into it. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day and I'll see you on the next one.